All living organisms, be it plants or animals, are made up of cells. Plants are made up of plant cells and animals are made up of animal cells. Now, tell me something. Can one policeman maintain the law and order of the entire country? Can he make all the arrests alone? Not really. But a lot of policemen together carrying out similar duties will be able to tackle the entire population properly. A lot of policemen together will be able to maintain the law and order of the entire country. Similarly, one cell cannot perform all the functions of the body, but a lot of cells together accumulate to form a structure known as tissues. So tissues perform specialized functions in the body. So tissues can be of two types. Accumulation of animal cells form the animal tissues, and similarly, plant cells accumulate together to form the plant tissues. Now note that one cell, be it the animal cell or the plant cell, can perform all the functions for itself. Like it can perform reproduction or excretion or movement for itself. Now see, this organelle is known as the mitochondria. It helps the cell in respiration, and hence it is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Similarly, this organelle in the plant cells help in accumulating all the waste products, so facilitating excretion. But one cell cannot perform all these functions for the body. So a lot of cells together come and accumulate and then perform one specialized function in the body. And that structure or the accumulation of cells are known as tissues. Now think again, can the policemen only protect us from all the terrorist attacks? Or can the policemen give us the justice? Not really. But the policemen, along with the army people and the lawyers and the judges, can work together for the smooth functioning of a country. Similarly, different tissues come together to form a structure known as organs. And these organs perform very important roles in our body. Like, say for example, the liver, which is a very important organ that helps us with our digestion. Now see, the liver tissues, these are the liver tissues, and the tissues that make up the blood vessel, these are the tissues that make up the blood vessel, they come together to form the liver. And this liver helps us with our digestion and also performs other various functions like maintaining our blood sugar level, etc. So, accumulation of cells carrying out similar functions form a structure known as tissues. Different tissues come together to form an organ, like you saw the liver tissue and the tissues that were forming the blood vessels came together to form the organ liver. Now the organs form the organ system. Like the liver was an important part of the digestive system, or the lungs, for an example, is an important part of the respiratory systems in our body. And the organ system gives rise to the organism. So what did we study today? We studied about the structure known as tissues. And tissues are the accumulation of cells. They are the accumulation of cells carrying out similar functions. And different tissues come together to form a structure known as organs. And these organs perform specialized functions in the plant and in the animals.